everyone. So we are back with a new video and with new design, new prototype. And this time we are designing a bed. There are so many interesting facts about bed, but I'll start with one. This bed is very friendly. It won't hurt you. You won't hurt your ankle. You won't hurt your toe. You won't hurt your shin. It's so friendly. We planned the projections and designing so perfectly. So the bed won't hurt you. First of all. Secondly, uh, this bed comes with no storage. Okay, so we have to design it with the durability. Okay, and it's just very slim. The frame is very slim. The frame height is only 96 mm, so we have to plan grid accordingly with only 96 mm of height. So this is very durable, good in strength, and very friendly. So this is rendered image, and we start with entire development of planning and production. We'll see you in a video, but here are some other facts about bed frame. Actually, frame is very interesting, and it's very durable strength. So we actually used like around 61 panels, individual panels, to assemble this bed, and so many screws and nuts. I'll show you the entire procedure with a quick small prototype. Okay, and next there is one more extra requirement on site. The site is on higher floor, so this should be detachable furniture. Okay, so it should be easy to dispatch and lift to upper floors and assemble there. So there are so many fun facts about the design. Okay, so let's get started. So let's start with a small assembly. This is actual section of a bed, corner side, and including light. Plywood description firstly. This is 16 mm plywood with the grade of boiling waterproof. And secondly, this is calibrated plywood because we are making interlocking joinery. So plywood should be calibrated. And this is only 96 mm vertical grade. Okay, we are not using any metal support in this bed, no section of metal. Okay, now let's start with the quick assembly. As you can see, the fixing is so precise. There you go. Now there is a leg pocket inside, so to precisely interlock the other panels for leg, we are using wooden dowels to give it perfect center. Perfect. And this is our upholstery outside panel with a height of 125 mm, and we are using two upholstery materials. First is grey resin, and second one is fabric. Fabric is of 560 GLM, and resin is of 620 GSM, and we are using cross nuts and Allen key screw to hold them. This is our Allen key screw. Another Allen key screw. Then our leg. I can show you the exact pocket size. See, I used it from upside, but this is from. So next is last and next is top, and above this top is for mattress actually. Okay, so that's it I guess. And there is one more hardware we use. We are using a felt leveler, which is scratch free for any floors like this. Okay, so let's start our next production procedure.